Today, let's discuss the momentum scalping with rally strategy. We will again start from the weekly charts to hourly charts to minute-based charts. We will do a full top-down analysis which everybody loves. Not much else to talk about. If you're ready, let's start. Okay folks, let's talk about the best trade of the day. 1000 XEC USDT. I will specifically talk about this specific part. Multi-powered imbalances with rally strategy that everybody loves. But let's start from the weekly. Why weekly and not daily this time? Because I saw the clearest bias in weekly, not in the daily this time. Price was obviously trying to fill this specific imbalance. This gave me a clear and certain bias for this coin. Now, let's start talking about the magic. I'll go through multiple time frames at once. This is the 4-hour chart. Notice how the price taps the 4-hour imbalance, a great power up. Now drop to the time frame 2 hours. What happens here? Notice how the price taps the 2-hour imbalance this time. Now I am in the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, price also taps the 1-hour time frame. Finally, the 30-minute time frame. Again, the same thing. So, what really happened here? Price tapped multi-level imbalances and supercharged and powered now. But cycling between time frames like this is extremely annoying and very hard. This is why masterclass momentum scalping students know how to see all these very quickly and easily under just 1 single second with the free indicator. In trading, timing and being quick is very important. If you're scalping, you must have a great setup to see everything at once. Now, I have dropped 15-minute time frame. I put this yellow horizontal line so I can observe the price level here. Notice what happens here. 15-minute bearish imbalances are starting to fail. They cannot push the price down anymore. This is a very critical sign of price switch. It means that sellers are losing control to buyers. Instead, we started to see momentum imbalances upwards, which signifies power for the buyers. Now I have dropped the 5-minute time frame. Notice the 5-minute micro price switch happens right here in this area. And another price switch happens right after it. This shows me that in both 15 and 5 minutes, sellers are getting weaker and buyers gaining more power. Let's get back to the 15 minutes again. So, this area is basically where the micro price switches happens in multiple time frames, an area of entry for rally strategy. With the significant rally, you could have caught like 5-6% move in this rally. Again, our main rally target is generally 2-4% move, and get your cash from the market, then move away to the next trade. So, what really happened here? Let me recap it for you. Price was trying to fill its weekly imbalance, which gave us the overall bias here. Then the price tapped the 4 different levels of imbalances. This move supercharged the price. Then price started to switch here. This gave me the momentum power. Within the 15 and 5-minute time frames, we also witnessed the micro price switches. These three things, bias, momentum power, and the micro price switch, completed our rally strategy entry. I hope this recap was great for you. It was a super nice example of momentum scalping. I'll try to do more daily videos. Please take care and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.